my pizza, don't touch my jelly. I'll make you fear me like I did Gillespie. You touch my pizza, you're gonna have to die. Write up all your farewells, bid your buddies goodbye. Wackiness that you can't handle, take a teammates for example. Now try to have me wrangled, and I left them strangled, dude. From a friend to a friend to a buddy, and your head lemonade rip cutting. I'll wash your guts out my cause it's getting bloody. Is it your death day? Think I forgot it. Since it's not over, let's go to your coffin. I'm sorry, 2 times for cleaving to your skull. Here's a knuckle sandwich, you're getting a mouthful. Toss you in my freezer, turn you into a Klondike bar. I don't know where you're going, but you aren't going far. Shatter you to pieces once I hit you with my car. And if you somehow live, I know this song will leave you scarred. Just a reminder, don't touch my pizza, but you'll regret it once I go and beat ya. Keep your composure, things will get out of hand. Don't know what I'm doing, she wrote this at 1 a.m. Silliness that you can handle, leaving your machines in shambles. If you try to have me wrangled, I'll bite your ankles, dude. From a friend to a friend to a buddy, and your head lemonade from cutting. I'll wash your guts out my cause it's getting bloody. Just close your eyes, man, it'll be alright. And on the bright side, you put up a good fight. I'm only kidding.